This is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from Indonesia, actually. Two things. This is from a company called Ciptarasa, and they have a ton of different ranges of noodles. This is just a plain noodle, and this is their original style. It's wide because you get, I think, 4 or 6 blocks of noodles in this one. And then they also make this. This is Ciptarasa, and it's mee goreng seasoning. So I'm going to combine the two and make some mee goreng. So that's what's happening today. Ugh. It is, it's cold. And start. There you go. Yeah, it is cold here. When I got up and got out in the living room, I looked at the temperature and it said it was 12 degrees outside. Feels like 6. Yeah, my daughter just turned 6. It's the same amount of degrees, it feels like at least, as her age. Oh, who's this? Hey, come here. Hey, you.
Hi.
How you doing?
Doing good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, here comes Mimi as well. Here. Scoot over, buddy. Hi, Mimi. How you doing?
Good.
Are you on the show?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you guys doing?
I'm watching Caillou at 9 o'clock.
Oh, yeah? You're watching TV on your tablet? What are you doing?
I'm cleaning. I'm watching.
Are you cleaning stuff? That's
Yeah.
nice. That's nice.
Cleaning a clock.
Cleaning up your toys. I like
And
that.
I'm watching Caillou outdoors.
Are you guys excited for Christmas?
Yes.
Yeah? What are you going to do on Christmas? Are you going to eat a bunch of grass and dirt? And isn't that what we do on Christmas?
No.
No?
I have an idea. I have to make something in Christmas, so I'm gonna make a Christmas cookie for Santa.
Well, that's kind. He'd
Me
probably
too.
eat that. Ho, ho, ho.
And I would put the reindeer food right next to Daddy.
Ah, the reindeer food. Yeah, you got that at school, huh? Yeah.
If I can
She
make
made
the
it.
reindeers kingdom from and Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Yeah, Rudolph.
Yeah. I'll show them. Papa, do you
Okay,
know
you can
Rudolph?
show them.
Do you know Rudolph, Papa?
Yeah, you're supposed to sprinkle that on the lawn, and it's got chocolate in it, and Mom's kind of worried because if a dog eats the chocolate, they could get sick. But
Papa, do you know
we could
Rudolph?
pick the chocolate out of it and eat it ourselves.
Do you know about Rudolph, Papa?
I don't know how good chocolate is for a reindeer, sweetie. Sometimes their stomachs don't process things the same way as ours do, so I'll look and see if chocolate is good for reindeer. I'm sure there's a website somewhere that'll give us that information.
Papa, do you know Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer?
I know him.
Oh, good.
He was kind of, they didn't like him until they found he was useful to them, and then they exploited him. But, you know, that's kind of how the world works, unfortunately.
Yeah, but I don't know what it was.
Yeah, he's on there.
Right next to the Christmas tree.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, put it back. Why don't you guys go continue doing what you're doing, and I'll finish cooking.
Continuing.
And why don't you wish the nice people Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
You gotta look in there. That's what's looking at us, not this. This is the monitor. That is the camera.
The camera?
Yeah, this is the camera.
Oh.
Yeah. Look in there. Look in there. Look
Merry
where my
Christmas.
fingers point. There you go. All right, go play.
Okay, continuing. Continuing.
Yeah.
Mouse's show continuing.
Oh, it's his show now. Okay, well. Today's a pretty big day at our house. I don't know if they really care so much, but today is December 22nd, which way back in 2009 was the first day that my wife and I ever talked to each other on the phone. We met online. She was in California. I was up here in Washington. And she had a cold, and I figured, well, I'll talk to a chick, sure. Probably we're never gonna meet, so I didn't feel any like inhibitions about like a dating kind of thing or anything like that. And I think that was kind of the thing that made it so easy to talk to each other, and we just like really hit it off real quick. And she sent me a text on Christmas morning asking if I'd like to spend New Year's with her, bought me a plane ticket, went down there, and the rest is history. And we've been married since, oh, I think we got married, let's see, June 6th of 2010. So didn't take long. But yeah, we just like lost our minds over each other. It was great, and it still is. So I'm going to be making her dinner. We're hoping to get the kids to go hang out with the aunt. But it being 12 degrees, yeah, they live up on a hill. I guess she was having trouble getting back here because of her flight was delayed 3 times. So yeah, I don't think that's going to work out. But maybe we can put a pause on that for a while, and when she's back, when things have mellowed out temperature-wise, then we can go do it. She does the gluten-free thing, my wife does, but where's my, don't I have one? I need to drain the noodle. Don't I? I need a draining thing. There's got to be one here, right? Is there one? There's one. Where's the other one? Well, I'm sure it'll turn up. Alright. So let's drain our noodle. But yeah, big anniversary today. I'm stoked. It's been a good go. I am very happy. And it's wonderful. And all that. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna mix some of this in here. I know this is probably not the standard way to do it. You want to fry it. But due to time constraints, I'm just gonna try it this way. I think I've tried it this way before. And this is definitely the Goreng variety. So there's some of that. I'm thinking that should be enough. Oh yeah. It smells very, very Goreng-y. I think probably a bit of sweet soy sauce, some oil would go well. I could just use some of the oil I have right here to add to it, but I'm just doing it this way today. So let's have a look at what has happened here. And there is our lovely noodle. We'll give it a try. Cheers. That was the perfect amount. It's got a nice sweetness to it, saltiness, savoriness. In fact, you know what would go nice with this? Give it a little pep. Give it some sesame chili oil. Just a bit. Now I want to try it with that. Oh, that might have ruined it. It doesn't smell like I expected it would smell. It's sesame chili oil, folks. It's not just chili oil. We'll see. Alright. Let's give that a try. I'm getting kind of more of a Szechuan-y kind of thing with that, but it works. It's not bad. I never even checked to see if this is like a Szechuan pepper or not, but Alright. Stage 1 complete. Tasted it. And doing that. I just started posting some of my content on this site that has spammed the heck out of me for years, and I figure, well, I'll give it a try. It's called Khal, KHAL.com. Thought it'd be kind of fun. There we are. Simmer down over there. I'm gonna go right there. We'll give it a second. This is a plastic instant noodle cup, and they work great for such things. But you give it a second, and it'll kind of sit in its form. You just lift it straight up. Yeah, not bad. And then what do you have to have with mee goreng? You need an egg. You do. So there is our happy egg. If you go to the ramenraider.com, there's a spot on there called Egg School. I think it's under resources. Go check that out, because if you want to learn how to make an egg like that, it's really simple. And I don't know, I like making pretty eggs. I don't like making the ones that look like they've gone through hell and back and just gotten destroyed. So, got some spring onion. As I don't have any coriander, my apologies. I think that would probably look better. Crushed red pepper. Because, you know. And maybe a little bit of sesame seed. Not much, just a bit. Maybe a little more. And I'm going to go with some fried onion on this, because I think that really is fitting. Where is that? There we go. Yeah, it's over by the salad you can find this stuff. It's just called crispy onions. Alternately, they have crispy garlic. And the crispy garlic, I think they're taking like elephant garlic and then they salt it a lot. And then they add, what do you call it? And then they deep fry it, and they slice it thin like potato chips. So you can just get a bag of that and eat like fried garlic potato chips. It's absolutely wonderful stuff. I think that's all I'm doing here. This is good. Yeah. They also make Best Wok mee goreng, which is like my favorite mee goreng these days. So if you can find that, give it a try. And let's let the music play and do Rotato, and I'll tell you what's up next on the next episode. Cool, yeah, go check out my stuff over at khal.com, KHAL.com, and or on YouTube or wherever, but it's just another place to see what I do. This is Kikkoman noodle kit with sauce, teriyaki sesame, which is kind of weird because I would have think you'd call it sesame teriyaki. But anyways, it's gluten-free, uses rice noodles, so that's the next one you're going to see on the show. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.